Wild hair, unraveled. What does it mean? Hello everyone. Today, we're diving deep into an interesting English phrase, wild hair. If you're scratching your head wondering what this means, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly when and how to use this phrase. When you think of the words wild and hair, you might imagine hair that's messy or untamed. In its literal sense, a wild hair refers to a hair strand that stands out, often because it's not lying flat or it's going in a different direction than the rest. For example, if you've ever had that one stubborn strand of hair that just won't cooperate, you've had a wild hair. In English, many phrases have both literal and figurative meanings, and wild hair is no exception. Figuratively, when someone says they have a wild hair up their something, usually a body part, it means they have a sudden or unpredictable desire to do something out of the ordinary. For instance, if someone says, "I had a wild hair to paint my living room purple," it means they had a sudden urge to do something unexpected, like choosing a bold paint color. Now that you know the meaning, let's see some examples. 1. I don't know why I bought this gigantic hat. I guess I just had a wild hair. 2. Tom took a last-minute trip to Spain. He said he got a wild hair to travel. 3. Why did you decide to make spaghetti for breakfast? Oh, I just had a wild hair up my nose and wanted to try something new. Remember, using this phrase can make your speech sound more natural and colloquial, but it's mostly used in informal settings. There you have it. Now you know that a wild hair isn't just about hair that refuses to behave, but also about those unexpected urges we sometimes get. We hope this video has been insightful, and the next time you have a sudden, quirky idea, you'll know just the phrase to describe it. Happy learning, until our next English adventure!